Depending on what your employer matches, that could mean you're getting either a 25 to 50 to 75 to 100% return immediately. Nothing else that I can help you with has that sort of return, and that is immediate. It does not exist. Let's talk about the first step. So 401k match. As I talked about, this is, first step, rule number one, you need to get that full match from your employer, assuming they do one. Not all employers do. Not all employees do a good 401k match. But for those that do, it is a no-brainer, ultimately, because it allows you to make contributions, receive a tax benefit now, as well as get basically an immediate guaranteed return in the form of the free money through the match. Depending on what your employer matches, that could mean you're getting either a 25 to 50 to 75 to 100% return immediately. Nothing else that I can help you with has that sort of return, and that is immediate. It does not exist. That being said, there is one big gotcha that I want to point out, which is that most 401k plans have a vesting requirement. What that means is that you have to stay at the company for a certain amount of time before the match actually becomes your money. So it's generally not an immediate return. It's generally not a guaranteed return because, again, you have to stay at the company long enough to get it. But assuming you've met that vesting requirement, it really is a guaranteed return immediately on your money. And again, it can be 25%, 50, 75, 100, whatever it is. It's hard to beat that outside of receiving the match. One final thought on vesting requirements. So most vesting requirements that I've seen is generally 2 years. So you have to be at the company for 2 years before you get the match. That doesn't mean that once you complete the 2 years, you should be doing your 401k match. Generally what I recommend is even if you don't know if you're going to be there to meet the vesting requirements, at least contribute to it. Even if you don't end up getting the match, at least you're putting some of your own money into a retirement account that's going to grow and is going to receive a tax benefit, whether it's now through a traditional 401k or in the future with a Roth 401k. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions or topics that you would like to see covered. Financial planning is all about creating the life you want. Let's build it together.